This is such a good shot. Shot of the innings for me.
Great shot. He just waited for it. It was a slower ball and a great hit for 6. Not many times this has happened to Shoaib Akhtar to be hit for a straight 6. And it was a slow ball which was well read by Sehwag, not deceived at all. A lot of disappointment there for Shoaib Akhtar, who's going to, I think, try and bowl much quicker.
Good over for India. Sehwag on 50, 123 for 2.